Hello students. Students, in the first two lessons we have seen the main parts of our body and the parts of the body and their uses. Today we are going to see our sense organs and their uses. Now which are the sense organs, children? We are going to see in this lesson today. Okay? Our sense organ and their uses. We have 5 sense organs. They are the eyes, ears, nose and tongue, which are on the face. The skin is the 5th sense organ which is found all over the body. मतलब क्या? Which are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose and tongue. See, this we find it on our face, है ना? On the face we can see eyes, ears, nose and the tongue. Inside we can see on the face. And the 5th sense organ is the skin. Yes, this is the skin, and the skin is on the whole body of us. So that is the 5th sense organ. Now let's see about the eyes. Eyes. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see their color and shapes. See the eyes. We can see the eyes. The eyes are of black color, they're brown color, they're different colors. But what if you see with your eyes? You see everything around us. Whatever is around us, we can see with our eyes. Okay. Now ears. We hear with our ears. They help us to hear different sounds around us. What do we do with the ears? We can hear different sounds, different things. Whatever sound, voice comes, we can hear with our ears. Now the 3rd sense organ is nose. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good or bad, like good flowers, medicines, garbage, can only be known with the help of the nose. Now the smell is bad or good. How you come to know? With the help of the nose. The flowers, we can smell good fragrance of the flowers because of our nose. Medicines, there are some different smells for the medicines. We can see get the smell through the nose. So that is the 3rd part of the sense organs. Now the tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, pungent, bitter with the help of the tongue. Now we can see taste sweet like ice cream, chocolates that are sweet. Sour मतलब lemon या फिर इमली, tamarind, we can taste with the help of the tongue. Then pungent, which is very hot, मतलब तीखा जो होता है वो. Bitter, कड़वा चीज़. How we can come to know? With the help of the tongue. With the help of the tongue we can understand all this taste. Now skin. See, skin is the 5th sense organ. Now how it is help? We can feel the things by touching it. This is done with the help of the skin. Example: hot, cold, smooth, rough, soft, hard, etc. Now what is soft? Soft toys you get, teddy bears and all. Those are soft. You can come to know that is soft. If you hold a stone in your hand, you come to know it is hard. Why? You can feel it with your hand. Smooth. Now see, this board is very smooth, right? So if you see if you move your hand on the mud, how it is? It is rough. Hot tea, ice cream is cold. So you can come to know the feeling of with the help of the skin. Okay. Now remember, all the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. They enable us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel all the good things of life. Okay? Because of all these sense organs, our life is very comfortable. We can smell, hear, see, taste and feel because of our sense organs. Okay? Now let's remove our workbook and write in it. See, this is your workbook which is given from the school. You know that. Okay? Now see, you have to write this all. Our sense organs and their uses. Choose the correct word from the bracket and fill in the blank. These are the words given to you: hear, smell, see, feel, taste. Okay. Now first word, first blank. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. I can smell with my nose. I can feel with the touch of my finger. Now, what is given over here? Put a tick mark over the sense organ used for the following. Now, sense organs which are used for the following, you have to put a tick mark for it. Okay. To see the birds flying, how you come to know? Ears, nose or eyes? Eyes. So, eyes को tick करना है. To listen to the song, we listen to with the help of the ears. So, you just put a tick for your ears. To know whether the table is smooth or rough, we feel with it the skin. To smell the fragrance of the flower, nose. To know the taste of the fruit, tongue. Okay, now you have to write this. Answer the following. See, answer the following questions. Name the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. What it is? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay. Which sense organs help us to taste? The tongue help us to taste food. Which sense organ help us to taste the food? The tongue help us to taste the food. The third one. Which sense organ help us to see different things? The eyes help us to see different things. Okay. See, match the following. Eyes is for reading, right? Then ears is for listening to the radio. Tongue is for tasting. And nose is for smell. Okay? Now see, find out the sense organs used in the following picture. Choose the right word from the bracket and write them below the picture. Now what is this boy doing? He's watching the scenery. So what he's using is eyes. Then crackers are burning. How can he hear it? With the help of the ears. See, the boy is gone for taking a bath. How can he feel it is hot? With the help of his skin. She is tasting something. She is tasting with the tongue. And now this girl is smelling a rose. So smell with the nose. Okay. So we have finished our third lesson. See, we have finished everything in this third lesson now. Okay. So look at this video lesson. Read the lesson. Read these answers and by heart it, so that it will be helpful for you for the test. Bye. See you soon.